Hey there, so today we're going over how to scan a business card into your contacts. Start off by going to Quick Actions, clicking on Scan Business Card. You'll take a picture of the business card, and then you'll click the blue check mark. And it'll ask if you want to scan the back of the business card as well. Me personally, I said skip because the other side of the business card is blank. And you'll see the AI went in and added in the first name, last name, and phone number. You want to make sure that all of that information looks correct. Then you will click Save Contact. Now you'll see that his contact was saved, and up in the left we can add a tag. And then on the right side you can assign it to an owner as well, whoever is in charge of this lead or added the contact. Then we can go into General Information, and then we could add in a business name. And then you'll click Save. And that is how you scan a business card into the contacts. Stay tuned for our next video.